Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Now let's recall a revision. These are the fill in the blanks. Like the National Front government led by Dash was supported by the left as well as in the right was Mr. V. And state whether true or false. A large-scale violence against women took place. Gujarat provocation was an incident. And the correct the following statement in right as a result of the consensus of political parties and voluntary organizations. Now support reservation of seats for the backward classes in education employment. As a result of the consensus, all political parties now reservation of seats for the backward classes in education employment. Let's match the column like personal law and gender justice, politic of consensus, United Front is in one column. Agreement of economic policies, IK Gujral Manmohan Shah Bano case. Now, first is related to Shah Bano case because personal law and gender justice, and then politics of consensus is with the agreement of economic policies. United Front can be with IK Gujral, and UPA would be with Manmohan. And what is the meaning of coalition? It means a temporary alliance of political parties for either contesting elections or forming the government. Very short questions are here. The term coalition is the denotation for a group formed when two or more persons, factions, states, political parties, militaries agree to work together temporarily in the partnership of achieve a common goal. The word coalition cannot coming together to achieve goal, and in the other words the meaning of coalition is coming together. And coalition can be defined in political terms as a temporary alliance for Coimbatore actions and especially of political parties forming a government. Then we have to state two features of coalition. The aim of coalition is to increase power and form a government, and coalition allows for diversity in ideologies in the government. Then how did the change in leadership occur in Congress? Rajiv Gandhi was killed on 21st May, which resulted in the change of leadership in Congress. Congress won the 1991 elections and P.V. Narasimha Rao was elected as a prime minister. It was the first moment after Lal Bahadur Shastri that someone became leader was not a part of, and which three major developments took place in Indian politics during the last decade of the 20th century. The defeat of the Congress party in the election of 1980, the end of the Congress dominance over the Indian party system. It could win only 197 seats. Second one was rise of decline of Congress, the defeat of the Congress party in the election of the Congress dominance of the party system, and it could win only 190 in Lok Sabha. And the second point is rise of Mandal started with the nation government's decision to implement the recommended jobs, that is, the government should be reserved for OBCs. This led to violent anti-Mandal protest in different parts of the country. Please record it again. I'm repeating the answer. Which three developments took place in Indian politics during the last decade of the 20th century? Describe the defeat of the Congress party in the election of 1989 marked the end of the Congress dominance of the Indian party system. It could win only 197 seats. And rise of Mandal issue. The Mandal issue started with the National Front government the recommendation of Mandal Commission in the job that in the central government seats should be reserved for OBCs. This led to violent and Mandal Commission in different parts of the country. Then the new economic policy. Government adopted new economic policy in 91. Was started by Rajiv Gandhi. These changes first become visible in 91, and it radically changed the direction that the Indian economy had pursued since independence. And the demolition of Babri Masjid or Ayodhya dispute. This dispute started with the demolition of the disputed structure of Babri Masjid at Ayodhya in December 1992. It led to various changes in politics of the country, and it raised the question among the of Indian nationalism and security. And the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi. The assassination of Rajiv Gandhi in May 1991 led to change in the Congress, and Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao became the. That's all for this chapter. Hopefully, it will help you in learning and understanding the concept. See you in the next.